हेलो एवरीवन, मैं भारती और आज हम बात करेंगे मिथ्स एसोसिएटेड विथ इन्वेस्टिंग इन म्यूचुअल फंड। देर आर सम मिथ्स, सब लोगों को कभी कुछ अलग अलग लगता है, तो उसके बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे। इन्वेस्टिंग इन म्यूचुअल फंड्स कैन हेल्प यू अचीव योर फाइनेंशियल गोल्स इन अ सिस्टमैटिक yet easy manner. However, there are certain myths associated with investing in mutual funds that may deter you from investing in them. Let us clarify some of these myths. Number 1, you need a large sum to invest in mutual fund. ये बहुत बड़ी myth है, लेकिन fact क्या है? You need not have a lot of money to start investing in mutual funds. You can start with the sum as low as rupees 500 per month by investing through systematic investment plan. So मन से ये निकाल दो कि ज़्यादा पैसा लगता है. Number 2, buying a top rated mutual fund schemes ensures better returns. But fact क्या है? Mutual fund ratings are not static, as they are based on various parameters which also include fund performance. A fund that is rated highly today may not necessarily maintain its rating within its category a year later. Investment in mutual fund need to be tracked regularly to evaluate its performance. तो ये भी myth अपने दिमाग से निकाल दीजिए, fact जान लीजिए. Myth 3, investing in mutual funds is the same as investing in the stock market. Fact क्या बताती है? Not all mutual fund invest only in stock. Mutual funds, given their specific objective, invest in variety of asset classes ranging from stocks, fixed income and even overseas instruments. Thus, there is a fund for every type of investor spanning a risk spectrum of low to high. अभी फोर्थ देखते हैं. अ फंड विथ अ लोअर NAV इज बेटर. फैक्ट क्या बताती है? म्यूचुअल फंड्स NAV रिप्रेजेंट्स द मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ इट्स इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. Any capital appreciation will depend on the price movement of its underlying securities. Say you invest 10,000 rupees each in Fund A, whose NAV is rupees 20, and Fund B, whose NAV is rupees 100. You will get 500 units of Fund A and 100 units of Fund B. Let us assume both the schemes have invested their entire corpus in exactly the same stock in the same proportion. If these stocks collectively appreciate by 10%, the NAV of the two schemes should also rise by 10% to rupees 22 and 110 respectively. In both the cases, the value of your investment increases to 11,000. Always remember that the existing NAV of fund does not determine its future returns. So understand the facts. Myth 5, you need to give more times to mutual fund investment. Fact is, for your investment, time spent in the market is more critical than timing the market. Your mutual fund investments can be channelized through SIPs to help you average out your cost of investment irrespective of market movement. Myth 6, debt funds are only for conservative investors. Reality, debt funds are good way for investors to balance their overall investment portfolio. However, aggressive and investors portfolio and allocation to debt is always advisable even if it is minuscule. Debt funds are a great avenue to help an investors diversify the portfolio into different asset class. Myth 7, the investors needs a huge amount of money to invest in debt fund. फैक्ट बताती है, investors can invest in debt fund with as little as 5,000. If you need to park your cash for just few months, there are ultra short duration or liquid funds to look at. Short duration funds are for those who would like to invest for a period ranging from 1 to 3 years. For periods beyond, there are intermediate and long-term debt funds. Myth 8, debt funds are risk free. फैक्ट बोलती है, while debt funds are not as volatile as equity funds, they are not without their share of risk. The two prime risks in the debt instruments are, number one, interest rate risk. This refers to a change in the price of a bond due to the change in the prevailing interest rate. The higher the maturity portfolio of funds portfolio, the more prone it is to interest rate risk. Second, credit risk. This refers to the fund's credit quality. Credit quality aims to measure the ability to an issuer to repay its debts. The low credit quality of funds portfolio denotes its inclination towards credit risk. और एक मिथ ये है, डेट फंड्स डोंट ऑफर वैरायटी. Contrary to popular belief, debt fund comes in a various types. Some of them are depicted in the diagram. There are overnight liquid fund, low duration fund, short duration fund, medium duration fund, dynamic bonds, long duration fund, conservative, hybrid funds, etc. So there is lot of variety. So these are the myths. Don't simply believe in the myths. Understand the reality, understand the fact, and start investing in mutual fund today. Thank you very much for watching my video. Keep watching it because you are going to get great knowledge, and I am very sure आपको ये अच्छा knowledge मिला है. तो आपको क्या करना है पता है, आपको like करना है, share करना है, and subscribe भी करना है. Thank you.